Welcome to our video on muscle hypertrophy, the process of increasing muscle size through strength training. In this video, we'll be discussing the science behind muscle growth, including the different types of muscle hypertrophy and the factors that contribute to it. We'll also be providing tips and exercises for maximizing muscle growth in your own training. Muscle hypertrophy is a complex process that occurs in response to strength training. The two main types of muscle hypertrophy are sarcoplasmic hypertrophy and myofibrillar hypertrophy. Sarcoplasmic hypertrophy results in an increase in the volume of fluid in the muscle cell, while myofibrillar hypertrophy results in an increase in the number and size of muscle fibers. Several factors contribute to muscle hypertrophy, including progressive overload, muscle damage, and metabolic stress. Progressive overload refers to the gradual increase in the weight or resistance used in a workout. When the muscle fibers are damaged through strength training, the body repairs and strengthens the fibers, leading to muscle growth. Metabolic stress, which is caused by the accumulation of metabolic byproducts like lactate and hydrogen ions, also plays a role in muscle hypertrophy. To maximize muscle growth, it's important to follow a consistent strength training program that includes a variety of exercises for all muscle groups. It's also important to focus on proper form and technique, as well as a progressive overload to consistently challenge the muscles. In addition to strength training, proper nutrition and rest are also important for muscle growth. Here are a few additional tips and exercises you can include in your muscle hypertrophy training. Incorporate compound exercises, such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, into your routine. These exercises work for multiple muscle groups at once, providing a greater overall stimulus for muscle growth. Use a variety of rep ranges and intensities. For example, you can focus on low reps with heavy weight for myofibrillar hypertrophy, and higher reps with lighter weight for sarcoplasmic hypertrophy. Incorporate isolation exercises, such as bicep curls and leg extensions, to target specific muscle groups. Use rest-pause training, where you perform a set to failure, rest for 15 to 20 seconds, and then perform additional reps with the same weight. This can help increase muscle damage and metabolic stress. Include exercises for muscle groups that are often overlooked, such as the calves and abs. Here are a few exercises that can help with muscle hypertrophy. Barbell squats, a compound exercise that works the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Deadlifts, a compound exercise that works the back, legs, and core. Bench press, a compound exercise that works the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Bicep curls, an isolation exercise that targets the biceps. Leg extensions, an isolation exercise that targets the quadriceps. Planks, an exercise that targets the abs and core. Remember, muscle hypertrophy requires consistent, progressive overload, and proper nutrition and rest. This means increasing the weight or resistance over time and providing your body with the necessary nutrients and time to recover. Muscle hypertrophy is a complex process that occurs in response to strength training. By understanding the science behind muscle growth, you can optimize your training and nutrition to maximize muscle growth and improve your overall fitness. Remember to focus on progressive overload, proper form and technique, and proper nutrition and rest. Thanks for watching.